Alright guys, today we got a special unboxing. I got two 50-year anniversary Hot Wheels limited edition. We got this car right here, 70s Roadrunner. It looks pretty nice. I like the design here. You can see very nice decal work. And here, make sure you snap that code right quick, guys. You're welcome. All right, and this one,
check the packaging on that.
Yeah.
Really, if you go all around, it's got a nice Hot Wheels logo and a picture of the car. It's great. 8 out of 10. We'll see the rating. Check the back. I mean, nothing here. I guess the code. Snatch that. All right. We got them fresh in the box. We're gonna unbox them for you.
All right. I'm gonna unbox mine first, and then Unboxer Bro is gonna unbox his. This is Unboxer Jeff, if you guys forgot. All right, so let's see. This is supposedly a 5 out of 10 grade, 50th anniversary. So it's 5 out of 10 rarity. We'll see how rare and if the quality matches up. So let's begin the unboxing, guys. Ooh, nice rip there. All right, now here's the tricky part. They always make these messed up like this. Let's see if I can figure this out.
Come on, bro.
Bro,
Let's
this is
professional.
Bro moment. All right. Boom. Wow. This is a quality Matchbox car.
Give it the race test.
All right. Let's see. Wow. It failed the race test.
It wiped out.
Here, bro. Let me see this. But you can't deny. Look at that decal.
That is style.
Oh my gosh. This is an all-around great looking car, but it did fail that road test. So I don't know if you like a really nice looking car. I would recommend this one, but remember,
if you're more of a display guy,
yeah, this is perfect for you. So we're just gonna put that here and turn it over to Unboxer Bro.
Okay, so here we got this nice orange one. All right, unboxing time. Nice clean unbox. That's great. It's got a little futuristic look. You see these it's got bicycles on the back. So you know, if you need to ride a bike after you're driving, sure. Okay, let me give it a race test.
Oh, but that flip though. So
it did a flip, so it gets extra points. So I think it passed. We'll see if it's an 8 out of 10. Like it says on the box. I don't know. What do you think?
Leave your comments below.
Yeah, leave your comments below.
All right.
So there we go.
That was the video. We had two 50th anniversary. You can see they have the special decal right there. 50/50. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button and see you guys next time.